Hi, so what is function or method overloading? So function or method overloading is actually the functions or methods with the same name in the class, but they can have different number of arguments or different types of arguments. For example, if we have two functions to sum. For example, one function is doing sum of integers I1 and integer I2. The other function sum is doing the sum of, let's say, float f1 and float f2. So this will return or whatever, or print, uh, let's say this will print f1 f2, f1 plus f2, and this will print I1 plus I2. So these two are actually functions in the same class, which is sum, having different types of arguments, so this condition is satisfied. But we can also have functions with different number of arguments. Like, for example, we can have a sum function in the same class with int I1, int I2, and int I3. So we can have three. So this will print, let's say, I1 plus I2 plus I3. So if we will call a sum function from an object of this class, we create an object of sum, let's say object sum. And if this calls a sum object sum object underscore sum, if this is a you can call it sum class, to have a different name from the functions. Okay, so if we call a sum with three integers 0, 1, 2, of course this sum will be called. If we called a sum with two integers, let's say 10 and 12, then the first sum function will be called. But if we called a sum function with some floats like 0 0.1 to 1.31, two floats, then this second sum function will be called. So that is uh, the story behind function or method overloading. That's the concept of method overloading. It's used a lot in programming languages, no matter C Sharp, Java, or C++.